Hi everyone, I'm Tripti and today I'm here to tell you about this amazing sharp dehumidifier with air purifier. This dehumidifier is equipped with Plasmacluster ion technology, which is certified by laboratories around the world, including the prestigious IIT Delhi and British Allergy Foundation. It works on the concept of dual purification using a pre-filter HEPA filter and an active carbon filter. The HEPA filter traps 99.97% of allergens and microscopic dust as small as 0.3 micron, while the active carbon filter deodorizes the air and removes volatile organic compounds. This dehumidifier is perfect for homes and office and can cover an area up to 550 feet. It can drain up to 20 liters of water per day, making it a great choice for keeping your home dry and free of mold and fungus. So if you're looking for an air purifier that can keep your home clean and dry, then the sharp dehumidifier with air purifier is the perfect choice for you.
Excess moisture in your home can lead to a host of problems, from mold growth to discomfort. A dehumidifier can be your solution to creating a healthier, more comfortable living environment. In this comprehensive buying guide, we'll explore the essential features of dehumidifiers, their benefits, and how to select the perfect one for your needs. Capacity. Right sizing your dehumidifier, consider room size. Dehumidifiers are available in various capacities, typically measured in pins per day (ppd). To determine the right size for your space, consider the square footage and humidity levels. For smaller rooms, 30 to 40 ppd units work well, while larger spaces may require 50 to 70 ppd units. Humidity control. Set the ideal level adjustable humidity settings. Look for dehumidifiers with adjustable humidity settings. This feature allows you to set your preferred humidity level, typically between 30% and 50%, ensuring optimal comfort and moisture control. Continuous drainage. Convenience matters built-in pump. Some dehumidifiers come equipped with built-in pumps, allowing for continuous drainage into a sink or outside drain. This feature eliminates the need to empty the water tank manually. Gravity drain. Alternatively, models without pumps can use gravity to drain water. Ensure the unit has a hose connection for this option. Water tank. Consider capacity large tanks. If you prefer not to use continuous drainage, opt for a dehumidifier with a larger water tank. This reduces the frequency of emptying, especially in high humidity environments. Portability. Move with ease wheels and handles. Dehumidifiers with wheels and built-in handles are easier to transport from room to room. This mobility allows you to target specific areas that need moisture control. Filter. Improved air quality air filters. Look for models with washable or replaceable filters. These filters help improve air quality by capturing dust, allergens, and particles. Noise level. Maintain peace and quiet decibel rating. Consider the noise level of the dehumidifier, especially if you plan to use it in bedrooms or quiet spaces. Lower decibel rating indicate quieter operation. Energy efficiency. Save on operating costs. Energy Star certification. Energy Star certification dehumidifiers are more energy efficient, saving you money on your utility bills while reducing your carbon footprint. In conclusion, a dehumidifier can significantly improve the comfort and air quality of your home by effectively managing excess moisture. When selecting the right one, consider your room size, humidity levels, and preferences for continuous drainage and portability. With the right dehumidifier, you will enjoy a more comfortable and healthier living environment. Breathe easy and embrace a fresher, drier home.